gusto, we call these taste crates. Toasting the spices will bring out all the flavors. Some chopped garlic. Let's turn these cranberries into spiced chutney. Some pear cider. You could give these to the postal worker, to the dog walker, to the babysitter, anybody that makes your life just a little bit brighter, or a lot. Orange peel, star anise, cinnamon, peppercorn, and fennel. Just simmer and reduce until beautiful. That's a culinary term. It is now. This is a mason jar, and it revolutionized canning over 150 years ago. Drop the mason jars into the hot water, and it creates a sterile vacuum seal. That means that the jar can sit on your shelf until next Boxing Day. Jams, veggies, pickles, all the goodies. That John Mason Landis guy was a smart dude. The holidays are always a great excuse to party and have fun. Spend time with your family and friends and everybody that you love. Listen. I love that popping sound almost as much as I love this one. Happy Boxing Day!